my weekly Friday video where I get the opportunity to celebrate you as the fierce, intentional, resilient, and empowered woman that you are. Let's talk about drifting versus driving. I know that sounds real crazy, right? But I'm not talking about driving a car. What I'm talking about is driving your dream. Most people are in a position where then they start moving towards their dream and things start getting hard. They start slowing down and they start drifting back into their old habits, their old ways, and their patterns of not doing things because that is their comfort zone. That is where they're totally comfortable being uncomfortable. And because of that, they're drifting backwards. And so they stay in that place where they feel like they're stuck because procrastination sets in. And when procrastination sets in, nothing else is happening to move them forward. Drifters are 98% of the population. Everybody has a dream, but nobody's actually accomplishing the dream that they have for their life because they're so busy drifting back into complacency. You want to be in a position where you are a driver. A driver is a person who has a dream and knows that there are going to be obstacles along the way, and they're prepared to meet the challenges of those obstacles because the dream is way more important than the challenges and the obstacles that they may come up against. So they're willing to go through the challenges and the obstacles. They're willing to take the pain in order for them to get the gain. And those are the people that are driven to get to their dreams. They're the 2% of the population that are manifesting the things that they truly want in their life. Don't be a drifter. A drifter is a person who is afraid of failure. It's a person who is afraid they're not going to be able to do the very thing that they're trying to do. You can be a driver. All you have to do is have enough belief in yourself that you have enough wisdom and knowledge based on your pain and all of the things that you've gone through in your life in order for you to get through the obstacles and to get through the challenges in order for you to stay focused on the dream that you have for your life. I've helped countless women learn how to stay focused on their dream. And I'd like to invite you to get my weekly newsletter called The Fierce Impact Feminine Empowerment Secrets, which you can get by going to getfiercesecrets.com. It's called getfiercesecrets.com, and you can get my free weekly newsletter where I give you those tips every single solitary week. I look forward to seeing you next week for the next episode of Fierce Feminine Fridays. And until then, have an amazing, amazing weekend and love